So last year I got myself into this i8, and this is the video on how I did the initial leather cleaning. When I first got it, it smelled like leather conditioner. There's no good way to describe that, but it just had this smell that there was something on the seats. And the seats were kind of shiny and they just didn't look right. So did a little test spot here, and you can see on the left hand side it's kind of cloudy looking, and the right hand side is just clearer. It's not as shiny. So that's, textbook, something's on there that needs to be cleaned up. So I'm using Color Lock Strong Cleaner, using the little yellow scrubber brush, and I also use the Color Lock wooden scrubber later on. But basically spritz a little bit of water on, agitate, work in all directions so you're approaching the grain from all angles, and then just wipe it off. Pretty simple. Pretty noticeable here, the difference in just sheen and feel, and again, that smell, it's hard to describe. So this is on the inside kind of center console. You have the nice light, I think it's called Karoom Grau, so the light gray, and the darker brown is called Dalbergia Brown. As a bonus, the stitching actually cleaned up as well. So this is kind of where your armrest is, and it was not super clean. It wasn't really dirty, but it just wasn't new clean. And after cleaning, the stitching is nice and light gray, and of course the leather itself is a lot lighter too. Now, because of the way you get into this car, this spot, usually feet or legs just hit, so it actually gets dirty quite often. You can see there's no match for the Color Lock Strong Cleaner. Now for the steering wheel, I actually use the wooden brush just to be able to have a little bit more conforming ability, because the steering wheel is obviously very curved. So the brushes just do a little bit better job of getting in there. And also, again, it gets in that stitching and gets the stitching clean too. You can see the lower half is less glossy. Now, I'm not sure what this stock is on the left side of the wheel, but apparently it had been used before. So I just put a little bit of strong cleaner on the microfiber and got it right off. Now, somehow there was, I think, flip-flop prints on the passenger side door, and this is the one I was most worried about. I was thinking I may have to re-dye that area, but give it a try with the strong cleaner and the scrubber brush, and to my surprise it actually came right out, never left the stain. So I was very thankful that I didn't have to re-dye this panel. So this is what good leather cleaning looks like. It's not complicated. You don't have to soak your seats in oil for 5 days in the heat. Just clean them, keep them clean. It improves the feel, the look, the smell. And this car only had 16,000 miles on it, so it's, do it regularly, keep it clean, and you'll be happier for it. All of the products are in the description below if you wanted to do this yourself. Thanks for watching.